Hello, everyone, and welcome back. All right, I reached into the locks that Texas Jim sent me. I pulled out this kick here. It appears to have a Slag style keyway. This is the bitting on the key. It's got a pretty decent bitting. None of the locks that Jim had sent me had any of his tags on it, but I imagine they're all his challenge locks because I could see a security pin right in the first pin. So I believe this is one of his locks. We're going to try to get it open and, well, we will see what is inside of it. And I'm going to use one of my picks, the Tron. I tried to duplicate. Let me zoom this up for us. Almost forgot. Okay. Let's see if we can get in it. Alright. Okay, I think I got a little bit out of 3. Alright, that was 4, but didn't feel right. Alright, let me try this again. Alright, pin 3. And I just got a little bit out of 4. Maybe a little bit from 1. Alright, that was pin 2. Had a little counter rotation there. Okay, pin 4. A little bit out of 4. Alright, I got a little click out of 2 there. Might have got a couple clicks from 4, but I'm getting a little counter rotation here. I think this is 3. But it does not want to go nowhere. Okay, I'm getting some counter here on 1. I don't like the way that one's set. Okay, I got a little bit from 4 there. Go back to 1, see if, yeah, I got that counter again on 1, so I didn't get him set the first time. And I don't think I got him set the second time either. Let's go back to 4 maybe. Okay, back on 1 again. Alright, I might have got him that time. Okay, a couple good clicks out of 4. Alright, trying to get under 5. Or maybe that was 6 possibly. I got a pretty deep false set now. Oh, and we're open on 3. Awesome. Okay, let's see what is inside this Texas gem lock. Zoom this out and grab my pinning tray. Alright, we can lock this back up. Okay, let's get the cap off. Alright. We're definitely going to shim it. And let's see what we got. Okay, there's all 6 pins. Looks like he covered up these construction holes, so we might have some T-pins up there. And yes, we could definitely see some goodness in there. Alright, let's see what we got here. One looks like a serrated, maybe a little reduced on the top, I think. 2 is a serrated. 3 is, looks like maybe a spool or a very wide serration. Stay there. Number 4 is, I think that's a serrated spool type. 5 is a serrated, sharp little serration on the top. And 6 looks like a double spool type. Very cool. And up here we have, alright, well, we have threading in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Threading in everything. Alright, let's see what we have up here. We have a commercial spool in 1, a little copper spring, a pin and pin in 2, another copper spring, and that pin looks like a serrated spool. Alright, that one has a very weak spring. Didn't pop up very much. And that is a double spool. And a very little copper spring. It will go this way. Alright, number 6. Looks like a barrel type of spool, kind of like a, I think they call that an acid type of pin. Not quite. It came out that way too. So, oh, that one came out this way. Another type of barrel type of spool. Another copper spring, and last but not least, 4 is a commercial spool. Another little copper spring. The springs are a little bit different. They're all copper. Alright, let's see if he did anything up here, and yes he did. I'll grab my little flashlight here. He has threading in 1, 2, 3. I think he has threading and everything up here too. Yes, he does. All 6 chambers are threaded there too. Alright, let's take a look at these pins. Okay. One here, looks like we have a serrated type of spool here. I think it's a little reduced on the top too. And here we have, I think that would be a wide serrations, maybe a serrated spool type. And here maybe a spool type, maybe either that or a wide serration. Here we have a double spool type, or again, more wide serrations. Same here in 5, a wide serration, and I would think that is a serrated type of spool. Then up here we have commercial spool. Then we have this awesome pin and pin, which is a spool type of collar. Serrated spool type. Then we have here, looks like a double spool. Then another commercial spool here in 4. Then we have a barrel type of spool here in 5, and the same thing in 6. Then we have all copper springs, 3 being pretty short and 6 being pretty short. They're all a little different though. That one would be a stronger one, I believe. But yeah, a little bit different on the copper springs. But awesome. Okay, there you go guys. Texas Jim Challenge Lock. And thank you very much, Jim, for sending me all the locks. And yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys. Bye.